submerging my brush. Pick up Young Peach. Do it closer to the cuticle. Get the cuticle part is like nice and perfect first. Wipe off your brush and pick up the bubble gum and then the neon pink. So the darker pigment you are going to add a little less. All right, if you want more, you are definitely more than welcome to add it more. Okay, if you want to be darker, you want a more like a neon pink to be darker, you can add a little bit more, but the first color is lighter, that usually the one it can show. So now if you want to add like something else, you don't want to add more colors, you can add like glitter on. Continue, and you can work with smaller beads and work toward to continue to where you want to fill it in. So make sure every single bead you pick, you are going to keep your brush really nice and clean. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of the chrome flake. I'm loving this. You can do any color, it doesn't have to be exactly what color is this. Watercolor you like, you can put it on, place it on. It's really a thin coat. And then I am gonna put some frame on. You know what, it's funny because I'm gonna see this, the super cute lollipops here. I'm gonna put it on there. How about that? Is that cute? Place this right there. I'm gonna make this one a little bit different, like a frame. I'm telling you, this little crystal kit is everything. It pretty much had everything I need. I can use it for crystal placement. I can use it for my encapsulates liquid and powder. You name it. There's a ton of stuff cute in here. Another lollipop. These frames come from the glow in the dark kits. I'm loving it. Oh, look at that. Look like a ninja. I found it. And add speed on. And then more beads. Right there. Some of them might set already, but it's okay because I got pretty much what I want already. All right. Oh, little bow is so cute. So now if you're happy with this, we are going to cap at this beautiful charms with the crystal clear. I will place right where your charms is in cap, and then tilt the nails down. Just all you need to do is using the belly of your bristle and then taper it on this side, and using a belly and guide it to the center of the nail to prevent getting really bulkiness when you finish the nails. Sometimes you're holding the client's nail, you might feel like it looks, the shape is so perfect, but you still feel like why it's just so bulky on the sides, right? So this will help. Pick up another beads. We are going to cap it right close to the cuticle. It tuck in the cuticle. In this bead, you can do it smaller and then blend it down. That's it. Let it set for a few minutes.